A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the Environmental Studies class. Okay, are you ready for the class, all the children? So you must on your videos, Nana. Okay, shall I start the class, children? Yeah, very good. Okay, children. First, I'm writing here subject name. What is our subject name? ENVI, RON, MEN, TAL, Environmental, STU, DIES, Studies, Environmental Studies. What is the subject name? Once again read all the children. ENVI, RON, MEN, TAL, STUDIES, Environmental Studies. Okay, children? Here, look at the board all are. Yeah. Okay. So, previous I taught a lesson. Do you know what is a lesson name? Yeah, very good, Rizwan and Nirma and Rizwan and Nirma. Very good. So, the lesson name is growing plants. What is the sixth lesson? Yeah, Kale Rakshaya, Kamam Pati Harshad. Very good. Okay. What is the lesson name? Growing plants. Growing plants. The lesson name is growing plants. Okay. In this lesson, previous I taught. So what I taught first, I will once again I remind this lesson, children, because of already 2 days gap. No. See, growing plants. What is reproduction? The process by which living things produce new living things of the same kind. Okay, the process by which living things produce new living things. Did you understand? Living things produce new living things of same kind. Okay, so that is called same kind is called reproduction. Did you understand all the children? See, children, the process. What is the process here? So, plants are produce new plants again. Plants reproduce new plants of the same kind. Of the same kind. The process by which living things produce new living things of the same kind is called reproduction. So, first I already taught reproduction in plants. Reproduction in plants. Reproduction in plants. Most plants, already said, most of the plants produce from the reproduce through seeds. Most plants reproduce through seeds. And some plants reproduce through spores. Seeds and spores. Some plants reproduce through spores. And some other plants, listen carefully all the children. Some other plants reproduce through their body parts. Yeah, very good, Rizwan. Okay, some other plants reproduce through their body parts. Their body parts. Okay, did you understand? So I explained seeds. See, most plants grow from seeds. Am I correct? Yeah, very good. So most plants grow from seeds. Seeds are containing fruits. For example, some fruits some fruits. Some of the fruits have only one seed. Some of the fruits few seeds, and some of the fruits have more seeds. Already I taught example. Mango, for example, mango. Mango have only, yeah, very good. Mango have only one seed. For example, you take apple. Apple have few seeds. And watermelon. And next, say anyone watermelon. Watermelon have more seeds. Yeah, very good. Apple only have few seeds. So next I explained about spores. Plants such as ferns or papaya also have many seeds. Yeah, very good. Okay, papaya also have many seeds. Okay, plants such as ferns or mosses, mushrooms. So these plants do not bear flowers. You know very well that. Okay, so these plants do not bear flowers. They have spores. Each spore has a single cell that can grow into a new plant. Already said some of the example here. Mushrooms and fungi also reproduce those spores. Already I brought examples. For example, now here I am taking one leaf, Nana. So this is a leaf. So these are the spores. Okay, children, these are the spores. Okay. Next, body parts. Once again, I remain here. Body parts. Some plants reproduce from their body parts. For example, root, stem, leaves. This type of reproduction is called vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation. This type of reproduction is called vegetative propagation. Did you understand all the children? What is vegetative propagation? Plants such as ferns, mosses. Okay, these plants do not bear flowers, children. So they have only spores. Okay, they have only spores. So each spore has a single cell that can grow into a new plant. Okay, that can grow into a new plant. So for example, mushrooms and fungi also reproduce through spores. Mushrooms and fungi also reproduce from the spores. So next one here I am explaining body parts. Some plants reproduce from their body parts. Already I taught body parts means not have a legs, eyes, nose, ears, not these type of parts. So plants have stem, roots, okay, and next leaves. So these are the body parts of plants. Parts of the plant. Alright, you know very well from UKG you learned these parts of a plant. Am I correct, Nana? So must you on your videos, Revali Sanjay? Okay. So plants have a body parts. So that is only shoot system. Root system. I explained shoot system and root system. Plumule and radical. Did you understand plumule and radical? I explained, you know. So that is called vegetative propagation. So some plants reproduce from their body parts such as the root and stem, leaves from these parts. This type of reproduction is called vegetative propagation. Right, children? Did you understand all the children? What here I explained? First, reproduction. I taught reproduction, and next vegetative propagation I explained. So reproduction, what is reproduction? And how to reproduce in plants I explained just now. Yeah, very good. Okay, how to reproduce in plants I explained. So how to reproduce? Reproduction in plants. Plants reproduce in different ways. Am I correct, children? Yeah, very good. So plants reproduce in different ways. One is seeds. Many plants, most of the plants reproduce from the reproduce through seeds. Only some plants reproduce through spores. And some other plants reproduce from the body parts. Already I explained about the seeds, spores. Now body parts I am telling you. So body parts means some plants only reproduce from their body parts. What are the body parts here? Roots, stems, leaves. Did you understand all the children? So this process is called vegetative propagation. Already I taught many examples of leaves. For example, already I taught one example. What is that? Bryophyllum. Okay, bryophyllum. It is one of the examples. The leaves of bryophyllum are heavy and remain close to the ground. Which plant? Bryophyllum plant. It is close to the ground. Okay, children. So new plants in this bryophyllum, new plants grow from the edges of its leaves. And next I explain you in the root part also. What are the examples of root part? You know very well. Can you say anyone? Root parts. Pritam, Srishan. Can you say anyone? Parnay, Harshit. Root parts. Anyone? No. What are the examples of roots, Amma? For example, carrot. Okay. So the carrot and radish plants grow from the roots. Carrot, radish, beetroot, these are grow from the roots. Did you understand now? And next one is a stem. You know very well stem. Sugarcane. Sugarcane is a stem. And leaves. Plants are the leaf of cauliflower. Okay, and some other roots, leaves also we take the leaves also, some other leaves. We eat leaves. Which type of leaves we are eating? Spinach, coriander, mint. So these are the leaves. So plants like the rose and money plant grow from the stem. Yeah, very good, mint. Okay, which plants are again how to produce from the body parts? Now here I am reproduce. Here I am explaining you. From the root, already I said. Now stem. Stem plants like the rose and the money plant grow from the stem cuttings of the mother plant. Am I correct? For example, this is a mother plant. So mother plants have a root, same like rose plant have it is same. All parts are there. Leaves, flowers, all. So it is a mother plant. So when we are cutting the stem, for example, we cut here one branch and again you plant another places. Okay, it is reproduce another new plant. So plants like the rose plant and money plant grow from the stem cuttings of the mother plant. Did you understand? Next, some plants such as garlic or onion can grow new plants from their bulbs. Sweet See, for example, sweet potato is a root. So no need, just I draw a simple example purpose here I drawn. No need that. So this part no need, just I draw simple. Okay, children. So these are the body parts. These are the examples. Now here, sweet potato is a root. If we plant a part of this root, a new plant will grow. If we plant part of this root, a new plant will grow. Potato and ginger are stems. From which new plants grow? Okay, children, did you understand about the body parts? Now here explain reproduction in plant. Once again I remind you, that is why most of the children did not give answers. So that is why once again I am explaining this. Okay. Now what here I am explaining, Kalluri Abhina? Reproduction in plants. In this which lesson is growing plants. So growing plants I already taught what is reproduction, and reproduction in plants means plants reproduce in different ways. What are the different ways? So most plants reproduce from through seeds, and some of the plants reproduce through spores, and some of the plants reproduce from their body parts. Okay, and from the body parts, what is vegetative propagation also I explained it. Okay, children, did you understand all the children? Still, if you have any doubts, raise your hand on your mobile on this topic. What is the topic? Reproduction in plants. If you have any doubts, raise your hand on your mobile. Did you understand all the children? No doubts. Okay, very good. Still anyone? Okay, very good. So now here I am telling to you structure of a seed. What here I am explaining? Structure of a leaf. But before this structure of a seed, I will explain what is budding. Shall I have the board, children? Okay. So what is budding? Okay. Plants with stems that grow. Plants with stems that grow. Write all the children. Plants with stems that grow horizontally along the ground. Horizontally along the ground. Along the ground produce birds. Produce birds. B-U-D-S, not B-I-D-S. R-D-S, birds. This is called budding. This is called budding. What is budding, children? Plants with stems that grow horizontally along the ground. It produces buds. This is called budding. See, horizontally means like this. So all the plants are, see here, plants with stems that grow vertically. But here plants with the stem that grow horizontally along the ground. this is called a budding. Right, all the children, this. So what is a budding? Plants with stems that grow horizontally along the ground produce buds. So this is called a budding. Okay, children, write it fast. This one. What happened? Write first. Completed? Okay. Okay, children. What is a budding? Plants with stems that grow horizontally along the ground produce buds. This is called a budding. Okay? Did you understand, all the children, what is budding? Now here I am going to explain a structure of a seed. What I am explaining here? Structure of a seed. Shall I rub the board? So already I taught these all, but most of the children did not listen properly. That is why again I continue this topic only. Okay? Next one, structure of a seed. Is very important topic, children. Reproduction in plants. What is reproduction and what is vegetative propagation? Okay, and the structure of a seed. What is budding? These all are very important. Important topic. Okay, so you must listen carefully. Okay, next one is structure of a seed. Structure of a seed. So now here I am drawing seed. For example, this is a seed. When I open this seed, so like this. Okay? And I taught this also. See here. So this is a structure of a seed. Every seed has an outer covering. You know very well. For example, you take green lentils. So we can see this type of seed. Am I correct, children? So when I open this seed, so this is an open seed. Okay? So now you listen carefully, children. Okay, each and every seed has an outer covering. So this is outer covering. So this part is called outer. This is an outer covering. Can you see all the children? So this is outer covering. So this outer covering is called seed coat. What is it called? Seed coat. Okay. Every seed has an outer covering. It is called seed coat. So each seed contains a small unborn plant. Each seed, every seed contains a small unborn plant. Small unborn plant. Okay, small unborn plant. Small unborn plant is called embryo. It's called an embryo. What is this? Embryo. Small unborn. Each seed contains a small unborn plant. So this small unborn plant is called an embryo. Okay, embryo inside the seed coat. The embryo has two parts. Embryo has again, it is a two parts. One is a baby root and another one is a baby shoot. Baby root and baby shoot. Did you understand all the children? Okay. So already I said this baby shoot and baby root, it is a plumule and one is a radical. Okay. So tomorrow I will continue this topic, children. What is the topic? Structure of a seed. Okay. Still, if you have any doubts, please raise your hand on your mobile. On your mobile, all the children. Those here, if you have any doubts, raise your hand on your mobile. No doubts? Huh? Okay, children. I hope you all are understood this topic. Okay, I will continue tomorrow. Thank you, children.